Hey everyone! What if I told you that you can earn free USDT online with absolutely no investment at all? Sounds interesting, right? Today I want to share my personal experience with a website that allows you to start mining cryptocurrency for free, without putting in any money up front. Before we go any further, I want to be very clear. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not encouraging anyone to invest, register, or take any action on any website or app. You are fully responsible for your own decisions and actions. What I'm sharing here is simply my own experience and information, not financial advice. Now, if you're curious and want to explore it on your own, the link will be in the first comment. After you join the platform, you can start earning crypto without spending a single dollar. The registration process is simple, and once you're in, you get an instant bonus to help you begin. When you sign up, you receive 1,000 free coins as a welcome bonus. From those coins, 500 are used to open mining, and the remaining 500 coins are used to buy your first miner. This means you can start mining immediately, completely free, with no deposits required. Once mining is active, the system starts generating coins for you automatically. You can collect coins daily, and the more miners you own, the faster your earnings grow. Over time, you can reinvest the coins you earn to buy additional miners, which helps increase your mining speed and overall earning potential. Let's talk about the value of these coins. The conversion rate is simple: 2,000 coins equal 1 USDT. As your coin balance grows, you're gradually building real crypto value that can add up with consistency and patience. Again, I want to remind you that this is not financial advice, just my personal experience. If you're interested, check the link in the first comment. Take your time to explore the platform, do your own research, and decide wisely. Good luck, stay safe, and happy earning.